We're not allowed to use real glasses anymore. We break too many, so listen. They're plastic.
Hi everybody, we're back. We are making a chicken dish for the first time.
This is chicken Valdostana, and it's basically chicken with prosciutto and cheese in a sauce.
And just a PS, John is gonna make my pieces without the prosciutto because I don't eat pork. Tell me about all the ingredients.
All right, so let me tell you what we have. Chicken. This is 3 chicken breasts cut in half, but I'm missing one piece, so it's still 3 chicken breasts cut in half. Flour, chicken broth, white wine, prosciutto.
Wait, what's this?
That's flour too.
Oh, okay.
It's in both places.
Okay.
Butter.
How much butter?
It's a little over 2 tablespoons of butter.
Okay, the recipe will be in the description box below, everybody.
Fontina cheese.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Salt, pepper, olive oil, and of course, not for the recipe, but for us, red wine. The first thing I did was salt and pepper both sides of the chicken, season it. And I've got a dish here with flour that I've also seasoned with salt and pepper.
Okay.
So I'm gonna dredge the chicken breasts in the flour, and then I'm gonna put them aside, because I find that when you do in the flour and then you put it right in and then you go to the next one, by the time you're done, the first one is cooked past the other one, so I like to put them all in at the same time. So before I start doing that, Jayne is gonna prepare our pan.
This is a big man.
I know. Well, we had a lot of pieces of chicken.
How much olive oil?
I'll tell you. You know, we gotta fry the cutlets. Keep going.
Oh, that's a lot.
Keep going.
For frying, we have not the good kind.
No, that's good. That's good. That's good.
You don't fry with olive oil. You're supposed to do with vegetable oil.
No. We're gonna fry. We're making chicken Valdostana. We're using olive oil.
The good kind.
And put a.
How much butter?
One of those chunks. And then, if you can, turn the heat on to medium, which is right there. So we're gonna let the butter melt, and when the butter is sizzling in there, that will tell us when it's time.
When the butter sizzles.
I'm gonna, you want to get it in all the little crannies and all the little nooks.
That's what gives it that crunch.
Well,
right?
I don't know if this necessarily has any kind of crunch to it, but you know.
All right, so while we're flouring the chicken, because it seems to be taking all the time, you have anything to say to the folks out there?
Nah, not really.
No.
You know.
You want to thank them for watching our videos?
You know, thank you all for liking and subscribing to Jayne's channel.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe if you're a first timer here. We like to make cooking videos, taste tests, and all kinds of good things. I smell that butter melting.
It is melting. So we're just gonna kind of, spread that around a little bit. Get that butter melted. It's almost ready. It's almost ready. Gonna have a little sip of wine. This wine is actually very good. I don't know where I got it from. I guess maybe from my birthday. I turned 50 recently. It's called Educated Guess. Jayne, do you want to do frying of the chicken? Would you like to?
I guess so.
You just want to?
No, I'll do it. I love to fry chicken. Press the button. Oh, listen to the sizzle, sizzle.
Make sure when you put them in, you leave enough room for all of it.
I am.
We're gonna do these about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and get them just a nice, a nice golden color. And you know what's nice about this? It's like a one-pan
that's true.
thing, because we're gonna take the chicken out. We're gonna make the sauce in here.
Who don't like cheese?
Who doesn't like prosciutto besides Jayne? And wine. I mean, so it's nice because it's all, you make the sauce in the same pan, it's all one thing that you gotta
it's so much easier when you do everything in one pan, especially when you're working, whatever.
When you're making multiples and you need things to be ready all at the same time, you can't put, 3 in and make them and then take them out, because it's gotta cook, you'll see, it's gotta cook in the sauce, it's the whole thing. It's all gotta be done at the same time.
Okay. You gotta be fast.
You can't do this in batches, is what I'm trying to say. This is not like regular chicken cutlets that you make in a, you make a couple, you put them over here, and you make a few more. This is made in all.
I think they understand.
They get the idea. They get the idea. I'm gonna flip these over, and you got nice color on the one side. And they're shrinking up a little bit, but that's
and it's been like exactly like 4 minutes.
Yeah, like 3-4 minutes. So we'll flip these.
That's good.
Right, and we're gonna let these just cook for another couple of minutes on that side.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make the sauce after that's done. So these have been frying on the other side for a couple of minutes. Jayne's gonna take them out of the pan. We're gonna reduce the heat.
Put them in the dish?
Put them in the dish here. Just take them out of the pan.
You don't want to film this?
No, take them out of the pan before they overdone.
All right.
There you go, my darling.
Were they overdone?
Before they get too
Oh my
cooked.
God, you're very bossy.
But you gotta move because they're
I'm
cooking.
moving.
This is not, we're not hanging out. This is time sensitive. I gotta work alone. That's what I think is the issue here, is I need to work alone. Nice, it's not done yet. We're gonna melt up the rest of the butter. Melt the butter. We're gonna make the sauce. This was another tablespoon or so of butter.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of flour. Give me a little bit out of there, like a teaspoon. Good. We're just gonna kind of mix that in so it thickens up a little bit. A little more.
That one is good.
It is good.
It's like just the right amount of sweet. If you're the person who gave it to John, let me know in the comments below. I'm curious who gave it. Okay, so this is the roux.
Right, so we're just adding a little bit of flour to thicken it up a tiny little bit.
And roux, I usually make a roux when I make like a cheese sauce, or if you want to make something thick. It's really just butter and flour.
All right, now to that we're gonna add, it's about a half a cup of white wine.
Okay, what kind of wine?
This is Chardonnay, which is...
What's the point of putting white wine in a sauce?
Flavor, baby. So we're just gonna kind of let that keep mixing. We're gonna let it bubble away for a couple of, after each of these steps, look at how nice and thick that's getting.
Yeah,
you see it?
Nice. And that's on medium too.
It's actually even, you're gonna reduce the heat a little bit more to low.
And what's good, it has the leftover juice from like the chicken.
And it also deglazes the pan a little bit. Now we're gonna add about a cup of chicken broth.
Okay.
And we're gonna just stir that and let that combine. All right, so we're gonna let that simmer away.
Simmer.
About another minute and a half, 2 minutes. Jayne is going to put the chicken back into the pan.
Okay. I know we're on a time crunch. Jeez,
Jayne likes to work.
You're so bossy.
Jayne likes to work at her own pace, but things are cooking. Like things are percolating, things are bubbling. So this we're gonna leave for about a minute in the bubbling sauce.
So good.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our prosciutto and we're gonna put it on to our chicken. Like so. I'm only going to do 3 pieces because Jayne doesn't want prosciutto on hers because she doesn't eat prosciutto.
Yeah, no pork, no red meat. I haven't had any since about 2013.
And then we're going to take the Fontina cheese.
Oh, that's my favorite part.
And each piece of chicken is going to get 2 pieces of Fontina cheese.
2 pieces. This is my kind of dish.
I said Fontana. It's Fontina.
Fontana. I think that's insulting to
2
you.
pieces of cheese on each one.
That looks so good. What do you serve this with?
Any kind of side dish. We're going to serve it tonight with some potatoes and peas. We're going to cover this, and when the cheese is melted, it's done. Okay, so this is pretty much done. Oh, look at that.
Look at the way that cheese melted. It looks so good. Oh my goodness.
And there it is. Chicken Valdostana.
All right.
Oh, man.
Plate that baby up. Look at the cheese.
Look at that. This is, come on.
That's amazing looking. All right, so we're gonna plate it up and we'll be right back.
I'm gonna peel a little bit of
That's all right.
prosciutto off
That's
the
all
Jayne.
right.
She can have that end piece.
Ooh.
And I'm gonna have a little bit from here. Why didn't get you a fork?
That's okay. You try it first.
All right. I'm
I
sorry.
want to see your face. Is it good? Let me see. I'll scoop a little cheese.
That's delicious.
John, that is a good dish. Oh, it's got a good flavor. It has like that warms you up inside soupy flavor. It's hard to explain. Like, you know, in cold weather when you want to get warm, that is good.
It's delicious.
Make this dish, one pan thing, on a nice cold night. You know what I would make this with? It could be good with string beans.
Yeah.
I think some like sauteed string beans, like a little, you know, a little garlic and olive oil and salt and pepper would go great with that. Maybe you'd like to watch some other videos. We have a lot of cooking videos. If not, subscribe, do all those wonderful things because we love each other.
Even though we fight when we're on video.
No, we never fight.
Put the chicken in the pan. We are on a timed crunch. I'll go through what we have.
Okay. That other video was so nice. I didn't have anybody with the elbow in my face.
You do like your regular.
Ready?
No, cut. Start over. This is why I wear the shirt. This is bought for me by one of my very favorite work associates who knows me very well. Why don't you, let's not clink the list. Just do your regular intro that you always do.
Okay.
So Jane, I
Wait
want
a
you.
second, I don't even remember getting this. Educated
Yes.
guess?
Educated guess.
The chicken's frying, everything is rolling, chicken frying, chicken.
My wife is a mental case.
Like I'm surprised there's no oregano.
My Italian viewers, I apologize.
Please, say no.
Man. Okay.